Here we are at our last video, number 23. We've got a spinner with equally sized slices, 10 of them. And we have Kira who spins it 25 times. That's a probability experiment. And we get these experimental values of 8 white, 9 gray, 8 black. If you add them together, you get 17 plus 8. There's your 25 spins. So first, from the results, compute the experimental probability of landing on white. White was 8 out of 25. And that appears, fill in the table below, round your answers to the nearest thousandths. So that's good. So we'll do 8 divided by 25. I get 0.320 going to the nearest thousandth, so 32%. Assuming the spinner is fair, compute the theoretical probability of landing on white. So what we got 1, 2, 3, 4 white spaces out of a total of 10. So theoretically, we should get 4 out of 10 times. 4 divided by 10 is going to be 0.400, 40%. And what happens over the long run? So it says, assuming the spinner is fair, choose a statement below that is true. As the number of spins increases, we expect experimental and theoretical probabilities to become closer, though they might not be equal. And it could be. I mean, it would be possible to do this 10 times and have 4 of them be white, or do it 100 times and have 40 of them be white. But it's also going to be possible that you don't exactly get that. You get 39 out of 100 or something like that. But yes, we should expect the probability, the experimental, to get closer to the theoretical, assuming it's fair. This is sort of one way to test things. If we do it a lot of times and it doesn't get close, reasonably close to what we're expecting, then we might not have a fair spinner. Okay. As the number of spins increase, we expect the experimental and theoretical probabilities to come further apart. That is not right. No. Otherwise, theory has no basis, right? So we would not expect them to get further apart, and we would not expect them that they would always be equal. It's possible, but this first statement is the one that we can be safe with. They'll come closer. They could be equal, but they might not. That's it. So I encourage you that once you've reviewed the videos this time, go back and rework the Unit 2 review. You can also, even if you got the 100% already, it will log that score in. Although it's not a graded event, go ahead and do it again. Repetition brings up the concepts that we've been talking about here. Expected value, the difference between odds and probability, and counting cards, counting dice, all these different things that we have to do. The more you practice, the more times you work through, the more internalized the concepts become. So good luck. I'll see you in class. Study hard. Take care.